Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need transmission work, to order new parts, or a tune-up. When you bring your vehicle to John Marazzi Nissan, you get quality service performed in a state-of-the-art facility by trusted professionals. And while you wait, enjoy our luxury lounge, cafe, and kids play area. Visit our interactive website at www.marazzinissan.com, where you can print out money-saving service coupons, find out how to receive free oil changes for life, no matter where you bought your car, become a fan on Facebook, and find out about our specials before anyone else. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. John Marazzi Nissan is located at 3640 Pine Ridge Road in Naples, Florida.